Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down, click on Sounds and Vibration and tap on Vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Now click on Sound and click on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now swipe down, click on Call Vibration Pattern and select one of those for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you, or disable it completely by choosing Silent. Either way, go back by clicking on the back button and do exactly the same for your notifications. So tap on Notification Vibration Pattern, select the best one, or disable it completely. Go back and click on Vibration Intensity. Over here you can adjust intensity of that vibrations by swiping left or right. Then go back and choose System Sound Vibration Control. All you need to do from here is scroll down and click on the switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!